I have no signatures from Shrek employees alone to warrant a recall. That's not a threat. It's simple numbers.
Maybe. But you don't have an issue, Max, and you sure as hell don't have a candidate.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. From those of us at City Hall, to each and every one of you, happy holidays. We have with us tonight a man who really needs no introduction, given so much to our city. Will you welcome, please, Gotham's own Santa Claus, Max Schreck.